Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udocreatives. Today we will be doing a simple nail art tutorial and demonstrating how to draw a snowflake. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials, which I will add in the description below. First thing you want to do is apply blue gel nail polish. The reason I'm doing this is because the color blue is associated with cold. And it also has a good contrast with white, which is what our snowflake will be. Next, I will draw the snowflake pattern. For the pattern, feel free to experiment. I found this pattern online and I liked it. Choose a pattern that you like. To draw the outline of this pattern, I am using a pointed brush to apply white gel nail polish. Notice how the pointed brush gives a good amount of precision. Now that I am done with the pattern outline, I will be adding dots. My reference does not have dots, but I like to express my ideas, so I will be adding dots. I will be using a dotting tool and white gel nail polish for this. And there you have it, an easy snowflake pattern. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udocreatives for more art content.